Hey guys, Narish here from my producer journey. Day 5 of the producer challenge that I'm doing. I'm back on the hardware, which I'll show you in a moment, using the Torais equipment. I'm going to record a few ideas down into Ableton using the take lanes today. I've already done a few ideas and I didn't record it because I think you would want to see all that. So I will show you what they sound like, and then we'll move over to Ableton and carry on fleshing out the track. It'll be probably just a basic rough outline using Song Sketch, and take it from there. Hopefully now the weekend coming up, got more time and energy. Again, it's one of those evening ones. Just seems to be not any way around this, unfortunately, with work taking up most of the day and morning routines just not kicking in yet. But, you know, learning and taking notes. So without further ado, let's get in to show you the track. So hold tight. Okay. Excuse me. So you should be able to see. Got the squid and the SP16 here. I've been using some of the samples packs that I've got. Normal kick, bass, some hi-hats, and so on. Now I haven't used all of these, so I picked out a few. I'm using the squid to kind of generate a pattern that I can take back into Ableton. So I'll show you that. Which one was it? So I've got this one at the moment. And then create a new few. And with this, you can't see it here, but what I've done on this is I've created a delay and a filter. Without filter. Sorry, delay. Could use the Dave Smiths as well. Let me drive it up. This is the other one that I've got. So add some kick in that. So I'm going to record that back into Ableton and mute out each of the tracks one by one. And that's it. So now we'll move over to Ableton. See you later. Hi guys, right, okay, so we're going to go into a quick, I guess, 15-minute Pomodoro, 15 minutes. Let's see if there's a 15-minute option. Yep, 15 minutes to try and, well, let's do quick 5 minutes to quickly just work out sort of what pieces we want, throw it into Song Sketch and see what we come out with. So hopefully all done in about 30 minutes. Okay, right, headphones on, here we go. So okay, so you'll see there they've got the Pomodoro app. Let's have a look. Right, hey guys, so just back again, managed to sort a few things out, so I'm going to go back into the environment, Ableton, and continue just finishing it off really. Again, just a rough track. I think I need to then take a few notes for the weekend, see what I guess learning parts there are, and hopefully come Monday there's a bit more of a workflow that's a bit more refined that's emerging, but let's see. Here we go. So that's using the sketch. To be honest, I don't like it, but that's all I've got time for. I think what I'm finding is to do this every day, you kind of need 4 or 5 hours, half a day. I just don't have that time. But maybe there's a way over the weekend to see if I can find some shortcuts. Song Sketch definitely is great. Maybe I think that's a learning point to kind of delve into how to use that exactly. I'd say Song Sketch. We can add template, external, but single channel. I don't know if all the other instruments and the sort of templates for everything being plugged in is slowing stuff down, so I'm wondering if I can maybe just be able to drag and drop channels of sort of set up external instruments. So I try that. And sample library, I think that needs a bit of an upgrade. Maybe splice. All the existing packs that I've got, so we can arrange them. And then hardware, maybe we can use that instead, make it a bit more fluid. I guess the good thing is I managed to record stuff in and take lanes, and so that's kind of something I've not done before, so maybe there's a chance there. Okay, well, I'm going to stop there. We'll wrap this up into videos and put it all out there, and then we'll start again tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm going to stop there. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye bye.